All right, let's look at some charts. So, got some. So I've been trying to modulate a system for, when you are busy all the time, and but you still want to take trades, to play some trades. And so it's kind of like adaptation of swing trades, right? So I found that H1 system works. Obviously, can make it slower, but kind of works. So I got some pictures. All right, let's go. So we got, you remember probably the account, this one with this background, the 5K. So this week produced this result. These are the trades, these are the positions. Go ahead, pause it, whatever. But we have the charts here, and I know I did some mistakes. I may have put on some trades that I did not take, and I may have not wrote down some trades that I did take. So, but anyway, got some pictures. I tried to make it into numbers. So there's some charts, right? Let's look at it. Let's go over it. So basically, what we got here is this week, the double lines. This should be Monday. I feel like this should be Monday, right? So this is an H1 chart. And so these are what I think should be 2 trades. And I may have placed more than what I have drawn here. But anyway, so here's some ideas, right? So let's go with some drawing stuff. Let's go with this. This is nice color today. Check it out. Oh, it kind of works. That's cool. We're gonna go with oh, that's even better. So yeah, we had price went up, from this high, we came from this level, we came to this level, right? And we went back down, came back up again. So, and I know some people will say, like, because we got this gap, we got pushing down below, maybe there's a level over here, and so this is an inversion of the gap, and this is the short, and this is a reason to short. I don't use that system, but I understand, okay? And so we got the high. This is not the high enough to create a double level. The box is from H4, and which is like I said, I know there's a level over here. Never mind that. So yeah, so price comes up, price falls down. We come to this level here. We come back up again, and now boom, we break. So because we have here, here, and here, we are now contained within this, and we break down to the low side, which means power should be down, and wow, we got a big reaction down, and yeah, right, reaction down, so we should have power to the downside, right? And if we go down, and if we go back up again, this should be a short trade, and it did not work, but whatever. So, and why did it not work? Well, we can speculate, but you can also look more in detail on this H1, our charts candles, right? So look, we got level here, we got this pin here, and what's going on here? Down, up, down, and back up. So it's an, if you zoom in to faster chart, you will see that direction changes here, and you will also then understand that the power and this white box going up, this is the entry, the pin here, right? But anyway, this is a single chart system, so H1 and this one failed, whatever. Yeah, okay, so now we come back up into the level here, and for the H4 system, I draw these boxes, these lines. But for this H1, we come to this level here. We again come to the level. We have some kind of low, and we break down lower. So the circle with the dash through signifies on my system that, well, we changed power. And so if we have power down, we may switch to the upside here, but I think this looks like short. So it's a short, right? And yeah, there's not much more to it on this chart. Same rules as I've been explaining so many times, but yeah, this is so your H1, so that's 2 positions, right? Yeah, let's go. Don't save this. Now we got GJ. So what we got here to start off? previous week. We got double lows. See, we got this high. We're gonna change. We're gonna get some nice colors. This is cool. And we got this high, right? And once we close above it, look, the circle with the dash, we have power to the upside. And where do we want to pick up if we have power to the upside? Where? Well, here, right? There's nothing else left to be like used, right? This, because this is all used up, and this might be a stop. This might be a stop. To my current understanding, though, this is the stop. Anyway, so we went up, we went down, and we got this formation. Let's zoom in. Double inside bar kind of box, and there is some power contained within this, but my current method for trading this is, well, okay, so we have a reaction here within the area. That's cool. This is inside the area. Yeah. We don't have power displayed within these 1, 2 candles. The 3, yes, but 2 we don't have. So what did I do? I put a pending order above as trade displays with the stop below what I think would be the level. This is what I did, and targeting this high. And this is a previous level. This thing is a previous level, right? And that's what I did, and got very lucky, I guess. Anyway, so that's that trade, right? Yeah, not much more to it. So let's move on. Okay, so we come here from this level. What's going on here? Not much. We come back to it. Did we close below? Not really. So we didn't change here, right? Because 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Because if we would, right? But we did not. So that was what I saw anyway, you see. So power is still going on up. Okay, cool. So yeah, and it's we were going up, and now for the short, this next trade, power went up. Okay, cool. From here, that's cool. This is a position I failed to take. I'm not sure if it's the time. Yes, it's the time. It's too late. I'm not simply there. So this is a trade I failed to take, probably. Or maybe I took it and I didn't draw it in. Who knows? Anyway, so we got here a high. We fall down, come back up again, another high. On my charting platform, I thought this high was the same level as this, because the spikes were within the same level, meaning we get a double, meaning that this is the low, and once broken, we change to the other side. Cool. And that was what I did. It's not according to the rules 100%, but power changed because up, down, change to downside, right? And I took a short here and would stop above this thing, somewhere here, not sure, and targeting this level, and that's what happened. Yeah. Anyway. And yeah, and later we fell down even further. We came down. So the reasoning for this thing is, well, we got some level here. From here to here is what's interesting. And I think we went down. We came moving, price is moving, and we fall down again. And so, well, okay, sure. So we touch this level, whatever. But the interesting thing is, we come here. We create this, we touch the level, reject, create more power. So the reaction from the level is up. So what did we have, right? And so with the last harami candle, I placed buy stop to my current understanding of what I'm supposed to do. Black, white, that might not be exactly as it's supposed to look, but the point is, power is going down with this small box here. The point is, we fall down, but we stop here. And if the price power down is stopping, what does it mean? If the overall momentum is up. If the price has fell down, but is showing a stopping formation, well, we rejected here, and so now we're stopping. Oh, okay. So I placed here buy stop above, as you see in this, and because we rejected here, I used this as a stop. I could have used this, but not in this case. And we already went here, and so I think that this is not interesting, and I want this level, and that's why the take profit is here. We'll see what happens, right? Yeah, and we got some more, whatever. And yeah, kind of similar story really. So here we got double top. Let's go here. It just keeps on repeating, like you've seen the patterns, right? One level, we come here, we come into the level, so notice they are the same because the spikes go into the same level, right? You see? That means that when the circle dash, we change power to down. If we did have a gap here to use, I could use this as a short. I didn't, or I'm not sure why I did actually enter this. Well, anyway, so the trade is here. Yeah, power is down. We come back up into the area. Should be from here to here. And yeah, this engulfing formation is within the thing. And yeah, this is too close because of R. And this is the overall target momentum. So I went for that. And later the trail of this position, yeah, another one was added. Let's just go for the trailing first. So we go down, we come back down again. So now we have 1, 2. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 1, right? Current level, and then there's whatever. And so if the stop was here initially, it's at least gonna be here, halving the risk. And with the double level, as per my rules, the stop is gonna be here, right? So this trade, whatever is happening later on, it's netting 0.5 or whatever. Okay, so now the next trade is similar story, right? Similar targets from this level. Okay, the thing is, we went down, we went up, we went down with a gap. Notice it? Okay, now you know. And we come back up into it and we create this nice doji. And I not remember if this is, I didn't see it, or if I entered on this bar engulfing it. Either way, if it's the doji, it's a sell stop. If it's the engulfing, it's a market order. And because it's the same level, I'm not sure I put the stop above here, because same level is the same level, I might have. Or I might have just encompassed like this is one level and beyond the gap this is the next level, so probably the stop would be here if I used that. I don't remember what I did actually, to be honest. Yeah, so this one, for the trading of this, not really sure what I did, but let's see how it goes. And we don't know yet. Okay, cool. So maybe I trailed it, who knows, right? Maybe I trailed it because maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I'm not sure. There is one position still live on their account, but we'll see. So we have some power here, down, and then it's going up. Yes. Okay, but oh wait, that wasn't good. Okay, so look, we got the black box down, right? And now we got down, we got up, we got down. Isn't the black one? Up, we got down, we got up again. So well, it did change. So maybe I moved the stop on a minor level. Who knows? I don't remember. Anyway, so if the stop was here with this formation coming later, see, now we are power to the downside, right? So we have this and this. So at the minimum, the stop would be moved to here, right? Having the risk here. And then later on, you see price comes up, comes even further down. So it would still be here though. Yeah, or maybe double bottom, so maybe it would be here. So yeah, very close to. The trailing probably saved this position. Who knows what's gonna happen? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so that's some kind of price logic from the GU. This is really like, I'm really using the same rules since a very long time, but just applying it to chart like H1, it could be H4, it could be daily same rules I apply them to. Like I have another picture. Yeah, so UJ, same rules, right? You see, double level, see, right? And then we go beyond. So now here, power is up, right? Power is now up. Yeah, okay. Not sure why I entered this. Maybe it already changed. Who knows? But I did. Anyway, this is the target if we enter long here, and I think I did. Down, 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 up, down. Yeah, whatever. I don't remember. Anyway, so target is here because this is next level. Because if we enter here, this is not a valid level to use because it's not proven itself yet. It's my logic, my words. I don't know, but nobody taught me this, so I don't use this level, right? I use the next level, which is this one, and that's why target is there. Anyway, so yeah, for this long, same logic. We come up, we come down, we come up, we come down again, and so here we have a power formation engulfing. Black, white, okay. And there's a gap here, and there's a level here, which created a higher close price than this, right? Never mind the spike. So you see, price came all the way up here, rejected, right? This is the close. This is the close, yeah? This is the close here, which is higher. Yeah, the spikes go further, yeah, but the level within are closing higher than this. So this has more strength. Because also notice how the bars look. There's not much power in this way, move here. Here's power, down and then up. And one bar, boom, and then a gap. And the gap is what I used later on here. So, and the target for this is, well, so this is the current high, and this is the low, because, yeah, we moved here, right? This is a previous level that I pick, not visible on this chart. But this is a previous level, and yeah, okay, so, and here we have again, same story. Change. Because this high and this high, same level, right? On another chart, you will see it change here. But that's not a trade in my... I start trading the power bars, which many people call FVG, right? I always called them power bars since probably 10 years ago, if you find some of my old videos. So power bar is like this one, for example, right? This one, or the white bar here. It's basically way stronger than all the others, and with no pin, like without this stuff. It's just, you know, a bunch of, yeah, power. I don't know how to, yeah, so. And yeah, so price went down, and we did we close higher? I don't know, did we? Yeah, we did. So probably I entered here long. If I entered here long, I'm probably targeting here. Probably with double top, double bottoms here, maybe. I'm probably long this. I don't remember. Anyway, same rules. Yeah, anyway, so that's about it. Yeah, that's me downloading my brain some of the positions from the week. Yeah, if you have any thoughts about this, if you have any comments, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. That's it, man. I'll see you in the markets.